Welcome back to another deal video. This time it's going to be a little bit different than the normal Home Depot deal of the day. This time it's going to be the Pro Special Buy of the Week. And in fact, it actually started yesterday. It's going to be running all the way until Sunday, April 26, 2026. So you do have the remaining part of the week to capture these deals as long as they don't sell out. And if you enjoy content like this, be sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing if you're not already. We do have the channel goal to get to 50,000 subscribers. And once we reach that goal, I'll be doing a giveaway of the 5 Icon Meme 2.0 toolkits. Now let's get started into the deals. All right, first up is going to be on the DeWalt 20 volt. It's a 5 amp hour and 2 amp hour battery with a 4 amp charger for only $100. That is saving $99. That's 50% off. This is a good deal on it. This is going to be the same battery kit, starter kit that they offered during the holiday time where it was $200, but you're getting a free tool. So this is going to be a good deal at $100 just for the starter kit by itself. All right, next up, they do have the deal on the 10 tool DeWalt combo kit. It has two 2 amp hour batteries and the charger and a couple bags. If you're looking to get into the DeWalt platform, it's not a bad kit to get into because it's obviously around $60 a tool. So it's a pretty good deal on it. But just so you are aware, 3 of the tools are brushless and the remaining tools are brushed. This is actually the same kit that I got into the DeWalt platform in about 10 years ago or so. And the only difference is between back then and now is that the drill driver that it came with as well as the impact driver were both brushed models. And then the oscillating tool was a brushless oscillating tool, but it was not the 3-speed model they had come out with, which this one has. So it is a good overall kit. I have many of these tools still that are still working today, and it is a decent kit to get into, but just want to make you aware between the brushless and brushed tools on that one. All right, next up is on the DeWalt 60 volt 12-inch cordless sliding miter saw with the kit, which is a 9 amp hour flex volt battery and charger for $576. That's saving $323. That's 36% off. That is a good deal on that saw because the saw by itself is around $700 by itself, not counting the flex volt battery and charger. All right, next up is a deal on the 4 amp hour battery from DeWalt for $88.50, saving $90. I'd actually recommend going for the $100 kit over here, the starter kit for $100. That's a much better deal, obviously. All right, next up we'll get into some Milwaukee options. It's going to be on the M18. Compact hammer drill and impact driver, and they also have that paired with the inflator for $327. That's saving $171. It does come with a 5 amp hour and 2 amp hour battery and charger in a bag. And they brought back a deal on the Forge 8 amp hour battery with a 5 amp hour and also the rapid charger for $240, saving $208. So if you missed the previous times when they had the deal of the day for these battery starter kit right here from Milwaukee, it is a good deal at $240. Because that Forge battery by itself is $229 value. And then that rapid charger is over $100 as well. So it's definitely a good deal on that kit. And they do have a 3-pack of the 5 amp hour M18 batteries for $249. Not necessarily a great deal just because you're not getting a tool, but it does say you're saving 51% on that. Obviously, if it was retail pricing on the individual batteries by itself. All right, next up is a deal on the M18 1/4-inch impact driver with a 5 amp hour battery for $174, saving $174. So that is 50% off. That is a decent deal on that. Next up, we'll get into some Ridgid options. So they have the inflator again, like they did last week on the daily deals. So it's going to be on the inflator with a 4 amp hour battery for $102, saving $106. So that's 51% off. That's a decent deal on that. And they also have an oscillating multi-tool with 4 batteries total. It comes with 1 4 amp hour one and 3 of the 2 amp hour ones for $195, saving $270. That's 58% off. And they brought back a deal on the 2-pack of the 4 amp hour batteries with the charger and bag for $71, saving $205. This is a great deal to get 2 4 amp hour batteries for only $71. And they also have a 2-pack of the 6 amp hour Ridgid batteries. These are the max output ones for $125. That's pretty good deal on that for 6 amp hour ones. That's saving $144. That's 54% off. And also, just so you know, I will have links in the description to many of these deals, and it does help support the channel. It won't cost you any more money, and I do really appreciate that support. And the next up is some Ryobi options, and this one I'd recommend passing because it's $200 for the 3 batteries. During Ryobi days last year, we saw this battery kit with a free tool for that same price of $199, which Ryobi days should be coming up soon, I believe in May, maybe June, somewhere around there. So just be patient for maybe a better deal coming up from Ryobi. Next up is the Ryobi 4-mode half-inch high-torque impact wrench. It has two 4-amp-hour batteries for $198. That's saving 56%. That is a pretty good deal on that. Then they have the 2-tool combo kit from Ryobi, which is the drill and impact driver with 2 batteries. Actually, it's 3 batteries. It comes with the 4-amp-hour one and looks like a couple of the 2-amp-hour ones. That's priced at $179, saving 36%. That's $99 off. And then they brought back a deal again on the Ryobi 2-tool combo kit with the D-handle jigsaw and circular saw, which is a 5.5-inch one, for $64.57, saving $73. That's 53% off. Those are going to be brushed tools, just so you're aware. And they have from Milwaukee, they have the forged battery, which is the 8-amp-hour one, with the recip saw for $306, saving $213. We have seen better deals on this in particular when they had just when you purchase a recip saw, you get a free forged battery. I think it's like around $250 or so, somewhere around there. And this one is a decent deal from Milwaukee. It's the M18 5-inch random orbit sander with the forged 8-amp-hour battery for $214. That's saving 42%, $155 off. Again, that battery is worth $229 by itself if you were to purchase it alone. And then next up is the M18. This is a compact hammer drill and impact driver with 2 batteries, and then looks like some drill bits for $218. I think the kit by itself is around $200, so technically it's an okay deal because technically you're paying $18 for the drill bits by itself. Next up is a decent deal from Milwaukee. It's on the M18 inflator with a 5-amp-hour battery for $216, saving $152. That's 41% off, but there will be a better deal on the inflator with a forged battery coming up. And some more Milwaukee options. They do have the M12, the oscillating multi-tool with some blades for only $84. That is going to be the brushed model of the oscillating tool, but it is a decent deal there at only $84. Then they have 2 lights on the M12 platform. They have the rocket light as well as the pack out light for $194, saving $145. That's 43% off. That is a good deal on that because the rocket light, I think right now, is around $200 by itself. And the next up is the right angle 3/8 impact wrench with the inflator and 2 batteries, charger, and a bag for $295. That's saving $243. That's 45% off. Then they also have the 3/8 right angle impact wrench again, this time with the oscillating multi-tool for $285, saving $233. That's 45% off. And here's a decent deal from DeWalt. It's on the 2-pack of the 3.5-amp-hour power stack batteries for only $163, saving $136, which is 45% off. Those are excellent batteries. Another DeWalt offering is on the 20-volt 1/4-inch impact driver. This time they have it with a right angle attachment, which I always recommend having because it comes in handy to reach into tight spots. That's $141, saving $110. That's 44% off. That's a good deal on that. And then next up is the recip saw from DeWalt, the 20-volt one. And it has a 5-amp-hour and 2-amp-hour battery and the 4-amp charger for $247, saving $181. That's 42% off. Then they have the drywall cutout tool with a 6-amp-hour and 4-amp-hour battery and charger for $257, saving $291. That's 53% off. That's a decent deal on that. And the next up is some Ridgid options. Is the oscillating multi-tool with 2 2-amp-hour batteries for only $87, saving $228. That's 72% off. Excellent deal on that. Then they have the D-handle jigsaw from Ridgid with a 2-amp-hour battery and charger for only $125. That's saving $133. That's 52% off. That's a decent deal on that. And then they have a 17-piece Bulldozer kit from Milwaukee for $56, saving $63. That's 53% off. Excellent drill bits there. And then from Diablo, they have the 1.25-inch universal fit carbide teeth oscillating tool blades. It's a 2-pack of them for only $13, saving $6. That's 32% off. Then they have a 2-pack of the M18 batteries of the 2-amp-hour ones for $105, saving $133. That's 56% off. The next Milwaukee option is on the M18 5-inch random orbit sander with a 2-amp-hour battery for $130, saving 51%, $131 off. Also from Milwaukee is the 1/4-inch impact driver with a 2-amp-hour battery for only $144. That's saving $154. That's 52% off. That's a good deal on that. Another decent deals is on the M18. It's the mid-torque 3/8 impact wrench for $234, and they have that paired with a 5-amp-hour battery that is saving 48%. That's $214 in savings. I'm just going to skip over the socket sets from Milwaukee, saying that you're saving 25% on that, $151 off, and skip over the Husky one because this is going to be the similar kit that they have during the holiday time for $100, so it's not really a great deal. Another M18 option is on the backpack vacuum with a 5 amp hour battery for $319, saving $180. That's 36% off. And this next deal I'd also consider passing on is on the Campers kit. This time they do have it with 2 batteries though, but it is a 4 amp hour and looks like 2 amp hour one for $164. In the previous daily deals, we saw this kit for basically $54 without the batteries. And then some more Milwaukee options on wrenches and hand tools. Some okay savings on these, as well as the headlamps, $99 for 2. Those are rechargeable ones, saving 23%. They have 2 socket sets here, the 3/8 and 1/4 inch drive for $224, saving $95. I think these are similar to the ones that they offered during the holiday times. And they have headlamps again, 600 lumen ones, rechargeable with the red lithium batteries for $109, saving $20. So it's not great savings on those. And I'd also recommend passing on these Mechanics tool set, the 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch drive ones. Not great savings on those either. For the 15-piece combination wrench set, that's $100 there, saving $60, which this is more wrenches that it includes for that $100 versus the holiday time was less wrenches for $50, which was saving 50% on during the holidays. And again, from Milwaukee, not great saving on the 4-piece level set with the case. It's only saving 18% on that. And a similar deal on the SAE wrench Mechanics tool set, 15-piece for $100, saving $60. Another pliers kit from Milwaukee for $55, saving 25%. It's an okay savings there. And again, I'd recommend passing on the 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive of the ratchet and socket set. And this other Milwaukee deal is not necessarily a great deal on the fastback 5-in-1 with the folding knife. It's only saving $9, saving 20%. It's as they have it broken down for $17.99 per knife, which they did raise the price on that fastback 6-in-1 one. It's at $22 now, I believe. And they have from Milwaukee the Mechanics tool set, 191 piece for $1,000, saving only $200. They have bolt cutters, saving only $10. That's $40 for those from Milwaukee. And then the 1/4 inch drive ratchet and socket Mechanics set, 25 piece for $60, saving 25%. And then next up is from Milwaukee. It's 3-drawer pack out with the caster wheels and as well as a pack out with the socket sets of the 3/8 and 1/4 inch drive in both SAE and metric for $520, saving $130. That is 20% off. Still expensive in my opinion though. Then they have the 2-piece of the Tough Series DeWalt construction jack set for $200, saving $39. They are normally priced at $119 individually, so it is a decent savings there. And they have from DeWalt the 20-volt crossline laser level with a 2 amp hour battery charger and a case for $361, saving $175. That's 33% off. That is a good deal on that. Then they have from Husky the 320-piece SAE and metric Mechanics tool set with the foam storage trays. So you could put these right into a toolbox and it'd be nicely organized for $319, saving $59. That's 16% off. And they even have a deal on the stiletto hammer. It's a 10-ounce titanium smooth face hammer with a 14.5 inch curved hickory handle for $90, saving $18. That's 17% off. It's going to be similar to the Doyle hammer that they have at Harbor Freight, except the Doyle one is not a smooth face hammer. It is going to be more of a framing hammer. Next up is a decent deal on the Milwaukee Shockwave 1/2 inch drive in the SAE 6-point impact socket set. It's 19 pieces in total. Comes in a nice hard case for $88. It is saving $96. That's 52% off. And here's a good deal on the DeWalt. It's the flexible 12-inch 60-tooth carbide tipped miter saw blade for only $30. That's saving $40.59. That's 57% off. This is a good deal on a 12-inch blade, especially on a 60-tooth one, where it's going to be good for cutting fine finish, like doing trim work. So it's an excellent deal for a 12-inch blade for only $30. And they have another hole dozer kit. It's a 21-piece set for $97, saving $122. That's 56% off. And here's the inflator kit I would recommend going for because it is the inflator paired with the 8 amp hour forged battery for $250, saving $169, 40% off. The inflator, they had since raised the price to $199 for the tool only. So basically you're paying $50 for the 8 amp hour battery forge, which is an awesome deal on it. Because again, that forged battery is priced individually at $229. And they have decent savings on the Ryobi 18 volt. It's a dual function inflator and deflator with the LED light for only $58. That is saving $41. That's 41% off. Then they have from Milwaukee the half-inch drive Shockwave impact duty half-inch drive in the both SAE and metric of the deep well impact socket set. And that comes in the pack out for $181, saving $98. That's 35% off. That's a decent savings on that one. Also from Milwaukee's on the M18, the 2-gallon wet dry vacuum with the 5 amp hour battery and charger for $189. That's saving $170. That's 47% off. It's a decent deal on that one. And they have a couple other pack out wet dry vac deals. One for $189, and they have that paired with the air tip. This would be great for you HVAC guys. So that is only $189, saving $30. That's 14% off. Basically, you're getting the air tip for free, because the vacuum by itself is normally priced at $189. And then the same thing goes for this other pack out wet dry vac with the air tip dust collector attachment. Again, it's $189, saving $40. That's 17% off. So basically you're getting that air attachment for free. And then they have from DeWalt the 6 amp hour battery with a charger for $144, saving $194. That's 57% off. Another inflator deal. This time they have that paired with a 8 amp hour forge battery again, but they do have that with the charger for $300, saving 37%. That's $178 in savings. And the remaining deals that they have listed on the Pro Deals of the Week is basically different shelving units and organization systems for closets. So you can certainly check that out. But that's going to be all the deals I'm going to cover in this video for the special buy of the week. If you did get any value from it, I would really appreciate you to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Help the channel reach that 50,000 goal mark so I can give away those 5 Icon Meme 2.0 toolkits. We have less than 2,500 subscribers to reach that goal, and I really do appreciate that support. And I hope you have a great week. Thanks so much.